Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit doing another proof video on our trade lines posting. We currently have over 400 trade lines posting on a daily basis from 6 months old to 36 years. We've been doing this now for about 10 years. We do these videos a couple times a month just to show that they are posting. We have trade lines for CPNs and personal social security profiles, and they work very well. They boost your score pretty quickly, 7 to 10 days. This particular client, this is a CPN actually. They got a U.S. bank. Let's check it out here. 756. Check on Equifax. Let's see what's changed. U.S. bank. Here we go. U.S. bank. Average age 2 years, 10 months. Again, this is one trade line. This is a CPN, as we said earlier. Takes about 2.5 weeks. This is great for apartment packages to get an apartment or house. Works very well. You have a high score. Usually qualifies for most apartments and houses. View accounts here. It's U.S. Bank. 2,000 limit. 2 years, 10 months. Even though it's a low limit, still got a great score because it's got some years on it. I always tell people you want years as opposed to high limit. I mean, really a 10-year line, 15-year line if you have a social. For a CPN, it doesn't take much to get a high score. But for your personal social, you want high years. 10 to 15, even 20 years if you're above 40. We have those too at very discounted rates. Our website to sign up for our list is tradelines.biz. Tradelines with the S.biz. Or call us. We do free consulting. 202-213-2218. Rolls around for good advice on your file if you need help or what trade line may help you. Whatever trade line may not help you. Sometimes you don't need trade line. Sometimes you need credit repair. And we can give you advice to save you money. Also call us up. We also do credit repair, CPN apartment packages, trade lines. Those are our 3 main services. Subscribe to our channel for updates whenever we put a video out. We're also on TikTok now and Instagram. That's about it for today. Again, if you have any questions, call us. Have a good day.